1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Isa pa. One more shot. Malabo kanina eh. 1, 2, 3. Ay, wait!
Ano ba? Video yan?
Hindi, napindot ko yung ano, nagkamali. Again. Sensya na.
Ayun, nawawala yung yung internalization.
Sige. 1, 2, 3. Ba't walang tunog?
Puno niya yung memory mo.
Magdi-delete lang ako. Oh, ito na, pwede na.
Marami sila eh.
Di-delete ko yung mali
Ano yung mga mga hindi, yung natatay mo, tanggalin mo na yun.
Hindi, sayang yun. Maganda yun. Ito. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Sigurado ka?
Yeah.
Parang hindi ako nangyayon.
You're on video kasi kanina pa. Hi, Lance. You're on video. Lance.
Burahin mo yan.
Lance.
Burahin mo.
Hey, I want to introduce you guys to Lance. This is one of the Starstruck contestants, right? Look at that. Come on, Lance.
Pero burahin mo
You have anything to say first before you go? Come on,
I have
Lance.
nothing to say. You delete that video.
Lance, where are you going? Okay, bye. Anyway, so that was Ian and Lance and Mark's hidden camera. Nakikita ba ako? Okay lang. Yung video? Sige, bye.
Lalagyan mo na naman sa YouTube yun eh.